Welcome to Wealth and Wisdom, where we share the best tips and strategies for success. In today's video, we're diving into 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas with high CPM. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel without showing your face and still make a significant income, this video is for you. Stay tuned to learn about these high CPM niches that can help you earn more revenue per thousand views. 1. Finance and investment. Our first high CPM faceless YouTube channel idea is finance and investment. Channels in this niche cover topics such as stock market analysis, personal finance tips, cryptocurrency updates, and investment strategies. The reason this niche commands a high CPM is that advertisers in the financial sector are willing to pay more to reach an audience interested in managing and growing their money. You can create engaging content without showing your face by using screen recordings of stock charts, animated explainer videos, or voiceover PowerPoint presentations. Platforms like Canva or VideoScribe can help you create professional-looking videos that captivate your audience. 2. Tech reviews and unboxings. Next up, we have tech reviews and unboxings. This niche is evergreen and continuously evolving with new gadgets and technologies being released regularly. Tech channels attract high CPM because tech companies are eager to showcase their latest products to a tech-savvy audience. You can create content by showing close-up shots of products, using voiceovers to explain features, and incorporating high-quality animations to demonstrate how gadgets work. Product comparison videos, tutorials, and best of lists are popular formats that can drive high engagement and add revenue. 3. Health and wellness. Our third idea is health and wellness. This niche includes topics such as fitness routines, healthy eating, mental health tips, and wellness advice. The demand for content that helps people improve their health and well-being is always high, and so is the CPM, thanks to advertisers in the health and fitness industry. You can produce faceless content by using stock footage, animated infographics, or voiceover-guided exercise videos. Tools like Doodly or Patoon can help you create engaging health and wellness animations that resonate with viewers. 4. Educational content. Educational content is another lucrative niche with high CPM. This can include subjects like science, history, mathematics, language learning, and more. Educational videos are highly valued by both viewers and advertisers, particularly those in the e-learning and educational tools sectors. Creating faceless educational content can be done through animated explainer videos, screen recordings of educational software, or voiceover presentations. Engaging visuals and clear explanations are key to keeping your audience interested and maximizing ad revenue. 5. Business and entrepreneurship. Finally, we have business and entrepreneurship. This niche covers topics such as startup advice, business strategies, marketing tips, and productivity hacks. Content in this area attracts a professional audience, leading to higher CPM rates due to the valuable nature of the viewership. You can create faceless content by using animated business scenarios, voiceover slide presentations, or interviews with industry experts where only their voice is used. High-quality visuals and actionable advice will help you build a loyal audience and attract premium advertisers. And there you have it, 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas with high CPM. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which niche you are most interested in starting, and if you have any questions, we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.